Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel useNfix. Today I'll walk you through the Coursera app, an online learning platform where you can take courses from top universities and companies right from your phone. Let's dive in. Coursera is a global learning platform that offers thousands of online courses, professional certificates, and even degrees from institutions like Yale, Google, and Stanford. You can learn skills in business, tech, health, personal development, and much more, all at your own pace. Now, to use it, first you need to go to the App Store and download your app if you haven't. So search Coursera on the search bar at the top, and after this icon pops up, tap on that, then tap on install and open it up. Sign up using your email, Google or Facebook account. You land on the home screen with course recommendations. Use the search bar to look for courses by topic, skill or university. There is a search bar at the bottom of the page. Tap on that, or you can also scroll through the categories like business, data, science, health. Right here you can also scroll it down to find more. Tap on any course to see details like description, duration, ratings and instructions. Tap on any course, then you can see all the details right here. Just scroll it down. To enroll in a course, tap enroll right here. Enroll now. Join a course. Some courses are free to audit while others may require payment or subscription. After enrolling, you'll see the course's syllabus with lessons, videos and assignments. Tap on a lesson to start. You can watch video lectures, read notes or download materials. Many courses include quizzes and assignments to test your knowledge. You can bookmark lessons to revisit later. Progress is saved automatically across devices. For certificates and tracking progress, when you complete a paid course, you receive a certificate you can share on LinkedIn on your resume. Use the My Courses tab to track your ongoing learning. You can also set reminders to keep learning on schedule. Use the offline mode to download videos and study without internet. Explore specializations and career certificates if you want a structured path. Take advantage of free trials to explore paid features. And that is how you can use the Coursera app step by step. It is an amazing tool for anyone who wants to keep learning and building skills from home. I hope guys found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe and drop a comment on what tutorial you want to see next. Thanks for watching. Bye.